engine misfire or belt slip? Let's figure this out. An engine misfire code can be triggered by a slip of your CVT belt. This can happen on hill climbs and under heavy loads, like deep or thick mud holes also. Before we end our trip and go home, let's try this. Shut the machine down. Disconnect the battery cable if that's an option. Wait for a couple minutes. Reconnect the battery and start up the machine. Is the code gone? Does the machine idle fine? No rough idle. After the code is cleared, if the problem doesn't come back at idle or under light loads, then most likely it was a clutching issue.